So you want to get started on cryptocurrency but not sure where to start? Stay tuned for this 6-step crash course on how to buy your first cryptocurrency and get started on your crypto journey. So let's jump in. Step 1. Learn the basics. First things first, let's understand what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrency is basically a form of digital money that is not controlled by a single entity such as a bank or a government. The technology behind crypto is called blockchain, which is a secure and transparent digital ledger. Make sure you take some time to further educate yourself via online resources and reputable articles to get comfortable with these concepts. To make things easy for you, click on the card above, which will link you to one of my earlier videos explaining the basics of cryptocurrency. Step 2. Set up a wallet. Next, you'll need a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a personal digital safe or piggy bank. There are a range of software wallets like apps on your phone and hardware wallets available, such as physical devices. For beginners, a user-friendly software wallet like Coinbase Wallet or MetaMask Wallet is a great way to start. You can easily download it from the official source and set it up on your phone or computer device. Step 3. Choose your cryptocurrency. Now, which cryptocurrency should you buy? Bitcoin is the most popular and a great starting point for beginners. Now, there are thousands of other alternative cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, which is known for its smart contracts, or Solana, which is famous for its fast transactions. Do your own research and select a cryptocurrency that not only interests you, but fits your risk to reward profile to maximize your financial gains. Step 4. Find a crypto exchange. To buy cryptocurrencies, you'll need an exchange, which is like a digital marketplace. Popular and user-friendly options for beginners include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. You can sign up, verify your identity, and then you're ready to trade. Step 5. Make your first purchase. Here comes the exciting part, buying your first cryptocurrency. Let's say you want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Firstly, money is to be deposited into your exchange account, typically through online banking or card payment. Then navigate to the buy section, select the specific cryptocurrency you want, enter the amount, and confirm your purchase. And just like that, you now own cryptocurrency. Step 6. Stay safe and informed. This is a key step which is ignored by most, but is followed by savvy crypto investors. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency can be exciting and financially rewarding, but also remember it can be very volatile and risky. Keep your wallet and seed phrase secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Stay updated on crypto news and trends by following reliable sources, and always make an effort to keep yourself educated and informed. And there you have it, your quick guide to starting in crypto. Just always remember that whenever you're buying or selling, that you are responsible for pressing those little green and red buttons. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto content. Good luck on your crypto journey and happy investing.